We are now going to learn third position with the demi plié. Third position is done two different ways, with the right foot in front and with the left foot in front. In this video, we will learn both. Here's what it will look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third position is most rarely done of all 5 positions, but it is important to learn and practice because it helps us achieve a more advanced position later on, known as fifth position. Ready to learn it? Let's go! As always, we start out by lightly gripping the bar for balance. One way to find third position is by standing in first. Remember, we find first by standing in parallel and turning out our toes. Now lift up your right leg. When you do this, your left leg becomes what we know in classical ballet as your supporting leg because it is supporting all of your weight. Keeping your right leg turned out, place your right heel in the center of your left foot. Place your weight evenly on both of your feet. This is called third position. In third position with our right foot front, our right leg becomes our working leg. This means that our right leg is free to do another step while our left leg supports us. However, when we do demi pliés in third position, we will have our weight placed evenly on both feet. Let's try an 8 count of demi pliés. 2 counts to bend and 2 counts to straighten. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good! A common mistake people make when doing a demi plié in third position is rolling their feet forward and back, preventing the movement from being fluid. Third position is a new step and will take practice to get it right. If you are shaky during your demi pliés, focus on your posture. If your head is held high, chest is lifted, your pelvis is straight, feet flat with all of your toes on the floor, then your demi pliés should become a very steady down and up movement. Let's try another 8 count of demi pliés with our right foot in front. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great! Third position can also be done with our right leg as our supporting leg. So let's go back to first, parallel, then turn out, and lift our left leg. Your right leg now has all the weight, making it the supporting leg. Place your turned out left foot with the heel in the middle of your right foot. In ballet, it is important to work both sides of our body so that they are strengthened evenly. Let's try a couple demi pliés. Remember, keep your weight on both feet. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job! Did you have a fluid movement or were you a little shaky? If you were shaky, that's okay. Take a deep breath, focus on your posture, and let's try it again. Imagine that you are trying to balance a stack of books on your head. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly go from having your right foot in front to having your left foot in front, so that when we are practicing with counts, we don't need to pause. All we're going to do is lift our right foot and place it behind our left foot. Try that with me. We'll start with our right foot in front. Lift and place. Again, lift and place. Make sure that your heel is at the center of your back foot. One more time. Lift and place. Good. We can also use this to take our left foot behind our right foot. Try it with me. We'll start with our left foot in front. Lift and place. Good. When practicing with counts, we will do a couple of demi-pliés, then lift and place on count 8. We will start with our right foot in front. Here's what it will look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After doing it a few times, you'll have to stop to move back forward to your bar. Try 4 counts of 8 in a row with me. Start with your right foot in front. Ready? Demi 1, 2, up, 3, 4, demi 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi 1, 2, 3, 4, demi 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Although it is hard to move your feet around, don't forget about your posture. Proper alignment is key in ballet. Let's do 4 more counts of 8 in a row. Remember, third position is found by taking your front foot and placing it in the middle of your supporting leg. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. You're doing great. You now know how to do a demi-plié in first, second, and third positions. That's awesome. Don't forget to practice.